I've lost over 200 pounds and I had to share this delicious, low-calorie, low-carb, high-protein pizza roll-up that I just made. If you want to see how I make it, join me. We're going to need half of a lavish spread. I don't know how you say it. I'm sorry if I say it wrong. I get these at Walmart. They are the Joseph. Look how big these are. I cut it in half. It's 60 calories and 6 grams of net carbs and 6 grams of protein for half this baby. Yes, please. Find your sauce of choice. I usually just go for the Prego, no sugar added, and I'm going to add a couple tablespoons to my flatbread. Next, I'm using a 4th cup of shredded mozzarella. I chose fat-free just because the calories are less, but use whatever cheese you want. But I am using mozzarella. Next, I'm going in with just a little sprinkle of some Parmesan because why not? My toppings are going to be some turkey pepperoni. I'm going to do half a serving of these. I prefer to add chicken deli meat onto this, but all I have is turkey, so that's what we're using today. And I do 1 ounce of chicken or turkey deli meat on this. Add any kind of seasonings you want, if you decide to add seasoning. And then next, you're just gonna give it a little roll. I kind of like to roll it a little tight. And that's how she looks. And I'm gonna throw it in the air fryer on 350 for 10 minutes, and I'm gonna check it halfway through and see what we're looking at. I let it cook in the air fryer on 350 for the entire 10 minutes, and it is just absolutely stunning. Here is what it's looking like. Don't tell me that is not gorgeous. Now we get a taste test. You know I'm not eating it without ranch. So good.